What if the reason your treatments didn't work is not because the methods were wrong, but because the order was wrong? You can do the right things in the wrong sequence and get no results. I've met so many people who've tried detox programs, supplements, gym programs, intermittent fasting, medications, everything they were told would help. But they still woke up tired, still inflamed, still struggling with digestion, still feeling like something wasn't connecting. One woman said, "I feel like I'm doing everything and nothing works." That's when I realized it's not the effort that's missing, it's the sequence. In biology, everything happens in order. Your body doesn't jump steps. It follows a sequence to heal. When we break that sequence, the body simply cannot repair, no matter how hard we push. Think of healing like building a house. You don't install windows before walls, paint before plaster, put furniture before electricity. Healing works the same way. There is a correct order, and most people accidentally work in reverse. Let me show you the real sequence. Step number 1. Open the detox pathways. You cannot heal in a body that cannot remove waste. If the colon, kidneys, and skin aren't eliminating well, then inflammation stays high, toxins circulate, and you feel blocked, heavy, and exhausted. Step number 2. Hydrate and restore minerals. Hydration with electrolytes are the body's communication system. Without minerals, cells cannot talk. Without water, nutrition cannot enter cells. Step 3. Calm the nervous system. When your body is in stress mode, healing switches off. High cortisol equals blocked digestion, blocked immunity, blocked repair. Step 4. Fix digestion and absorption. You can eat the healthiest food in the world, but if your gut lining is inflamed, your stomach acid is low, you won't absorb it. Step 5. Restore cellular communication. That is where glyconutrients, amino acids, minerals, and hydration restore how cells talk to each other. Without communication, cells don't repair. Step 6. Build cellular energy. Your body is powered by tiny batteries inside your cell. If energy is low, no healing happens. Step 7. Activate repair, stem cells, regeneration. Now, only now is the body ready for advanced therapies. Stem cell activation, phototherapy, patches, frequency healing. They work beautifully only after the foundation is ready. Step 8, maintenance. This is where health becomes effortless. You didn't get results because you were working on step 7 and 8, while step 1, 2, and 3 were still blocked. This is why I use the restoration sequence, a step-by-step system that helps the body heal in the exact order biology requires. If you want help figuring out which step your body is stuck in, I offer a free 30-minute Zoom consultation. No pressure, just clarity. Comment ready or click the link to book your session.